Greetings and welcome to Win-Win Live. I'm Greg McIver, contributing editor from Light Reading. As the fourth largest network operator in China, China Broadnet is alone in running TV broadcast services. For more than 1 year, its 5G development has been achieving remarkable results in terms of network coverage, user development, industry applications, and new service exploration. And today, I'm very honored to have Mr. Li Shuang, Deputy Director of Technology Department at China Broadnet, and Mr. Jeffrey Wu, who's President of Huawei Packet Core Network Domain, to share with us the experience in China Broadnet's core network construction. Gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be here with you.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, to Mr. Li Shuang, I would like to ask, could you share with us China Broadnet's progress in 5G construction and evolution, and especially in 5G core network construction?
Yeah, sure. China Broadnet launched the mobile service in June 2022. Together with China Mobile, China Broadnet has established the global largest 700 MHz network with nationwide coverage. Currently, we have co-constructed more than 600,000 700 MHz base stations and share more than 4 million 4G and 5G base stations, ensuring excellent network coverage in China. To gain a unique competitive edge as a new player, China Broadnet needs to build and operate networks more efficiently and roll out innovative service faster. Under this context, we utilize a 5G 2C and 2B convergent one cloud architecture. We launched one centralized 5G core network, which divides into 2 regions, consisting of 4 data centers and 31 provincial user plans. We deployed more than 5,000 physical servers to form IT cloud resource pools. On this centralized network, we can develop B2B and B2C services quickly and achieve high stability, simplify network construction, unified operation and management, and fast service innovation.
Huawei has built a 5GC convergent one cloud for China Broadnet. Is it difficult to deploy? And what are the features of the cloud? And also, just how challenging has it been to introduce it?
Huawei provides full support to the construction of high-quality 5G network for China Broadnet. We help China Broadnet centralize the 5G core network through convergent one cloud. The control plane are centralized deployed at the region node, simplify deployment and improve network construction efficiency. Therefore, China Broadnet quickly completed the network construction for tens of millions of users within 5 months. Regarding convergence and high stability of 5G core, the network adopts dual physical set for the redundancy and support cross-city disaster recovery. The 5G core are pulled for load sharing, so we can resist 64-fold signaling surges and quickly recover. In addition, the network function fault bypass allows the service to run as usual even in extreme conditions. Furthermore, with convergent one cloud capability, the automated upgrade and the testing function of an autonomous driving network are added, greatly improving the O&M efficiency. Due to the unified convergent one cloud architecture, innovation service can then be quickly replicated across cities and regions.
Could you please tell us about the featured services that China Broadnet has developed based on your cutting-edge 5GC convergent one cloud?
Yeah, sure. Based on the 5GC 2C and 2B convergent one cloud, we implemented centralized management and operations, enabling us to quickly replicate the innovative services from one site to multiple sites across cities and regions. In the B2B field, we leverage the advantage of our 700 MHz high-quality spectrum for wide coverage focusing on sectors like manufacturing and transportation, and are extending services to various industries. We have built multiple benchmark projects, such as a 5G emergency communication platform in Jiangsu and Shanghai, UVEA application in Zhejiang, smart shipping in Shandong, and Yangtze River water practitioner in Jiangsu. In the B2C field, we actively promote the implement of new 5G technologies like 5G new calling and NR broadcasting. We build a 5G new calling platform aiming to transform from voice-centered operations to content and service-centered operations, and bringing differentiate 5G feature services to users. Meanwhile, 5G NR broadcasting are being trial tested to provide dynamic unicast, multicast, and broadcast 5G services, meeting new multimedia service requirements in new scenarios.
And Mr. Li Shuang, how do you expect China Broadnet will evolve towards the 5.5G core network?
We think the 5.5G is a very crucial phase for the development for 5G to 6G. In the future, the demand for new services like AI and XR immersive experience will soar. The business modules will transform, and the connection boundaries will continue to be expanded. And China Broadnet will continue to work on constructing on the 5G advanced core network to drive new business opportunities. And we have made some network upgrades as well, such as a high throughput UPF, which delivers 10 times higher capacity to meet the increasing throughput requirements. In this way, we can carry out differentiated experience monetization and provide dynamic differentiated assurance for user with higher requirements. New 5G advanced functions have been added as well, such as NWDF function and TMF function for passive IoT. Those functions can empower more IoT services scenarios with various industries. Thank you.
And a question for Mr. Wu. Finally, could you please share with us the essence of Huawei's 5.5G core network and how it helps operators achieve business success?
Huawei 5.5G core introduced the intelligence to the core network field, which the intelligence plane and the network element native intelligence. Huawei 5.5G core realizes service intelligence, network intelligence, and O&M intelligence. And the network intelligence is the foundation for experience monetization and network quality improvement. For network intelligence, we introduce an intelligence plan based on NWDF. It can do network data collection and storage, model training, and perform inference. We use network element native intelligence for real-time local inference. It can collaborate with the intelligence plan to provide the local data for training and inference. In the way, experience can be accurately evaluated in real time, and the user experience can be dynamically guaranteed on demand. With this capability, we help operators achieve closed-loop experience monetization in 5.5G era. In addition, we introduced the high throughput UPF to match multi-CC requirement, help users achieve
ubiquitous
10 Gbps rates. Moreover, based on Huawei UPF function, we can realize network service synergy, improve the high-quality development of the next generation new media service, such as 3D video, XR, and so on. Furthermore, by exploring capabilities such as ambitious IoT, we can extend the new connection and service in 5.5G landscape. Huawei remains committed to supporting the evolution of the 5.5G core network with China Broadnet. Together, we open on a new chapter of digital intelligent transformation.
Well, thank you both for an excellent discussion and for joining us here at Win-Win Live. It's been very illuminating. Thank you and see you next time.